Hey guys, welcome back to Exit 45. So on this episode, we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at changing out the coil packs and the spark plugs. Since we're in there, we'll go ahead and get the spark plugs. But she's running just a little bit rough in the initial startup until it warms up. So that tells me my spark plugs are probably starting to get wore out. That's usually when it happens. But hey, 410,000. Not on the spark plugs, but on the coil packs. So I feel like it's probably time to go ahead and change them. I'll keep the originals just so I have them in case the cheap China stuff doesn't work very well. So anyways, Dad's probably going to handle this one. So let's get after it. All right, so I think the first thing we're going to do here is pull the electrical connectors off of your coil packs. Just as simple as that. There's a little tab back here. Just squeeze, pull. Dad's going to go ahead and there's a 10 millimeter bolt here holding the coil packs in. And just give it a lift. It should pull right out. There we go. These are original to the car, so we got 410,000 miles on these, so it's time to replace them. And while we got it off, we're going to go ahead and pull the spark plugs that are down in there and replace them as well. All right, and the spark plugs are number 14. Oh, we got need another longer extension. There you go. There's the old plug. So you can see it's been in there a little while. Yep, it's time. So let's go ahead and get some new plugs in there. Okay, we're hand tightening the new spark plug. We've gapped it to 32 thousandths. And so we'll finish hand tightening that in. We'll crank her down. Not too tight. I'm sure that's an aluminum block, so we don't want to strip it. And then we'll just do the same to the rest of these. Not very difficult, guys. So you can do this yourself. Not hard at all. And just to show you real quick what we're using, it's a Delphi. Got it off of Rock Auto, I believe. So that's where I got them. And then you line up where the bolt goes in, and that's it. That's all there is to it. And then the last thing you're going to do is plug in the connector, just like that. There we go. There we go. There we go. All 4 coil packs have been replaced, and while we're in there, we decided to go ahead and do the spark plugs. All right, I hope this helped anybody who had some questions as to how to do this. Pretty simple. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.